Well, hello and welcome back, and thank you for coming back. Well, we're not in downtown Paphos, we're just up the road a little bit. We're to the rear of the Tomb of the Kings Avenue, and we're right on the beach. It's called Kafalos Beach, and we're going to make a very, very special video for some very, very special people. If you want to know what's going on, I'm going to introduce you to the most beautiful woman in the world, Miss Ochin Gracivia Labouf, and she's going to let you know.
Sorry, I lost my ear. Second ear. Hello, everybody. How nice to see you again and again. Today is a most especially for you video. Miss Niki, Mr. Steve Burton. This video is especially for you. Just smile.
So, Miss Niki, Mr. Steve, if you're wondering where we are, if you didn't grasp it in the opening shot, there it is. Kafalos Village, or Kafalos Beach Village, to give it its full title. Right across the top of the hotel in very, very large, big blue letters. Stick with us. We are going to storm the Paphos area and get into that reception, and hopefully we're not going to get tracked down.
Mr. Godfather, Church Father, Kafalos Beach Hotel Village.
Kafalos Beach Hotel Village, there we go. We'll understand where we are. It's a great, great place. Huge, it's absolutely huge. It's complex after complex, block after block. They've got a gift shop. Have a look at that. So if you want to buy hats, flip-flops, towels, bits and bobs, footballs, gifts to take home for your loved ones or even your next door neighbours that perhaps you don't love that much. Over here, I know there's a hair salon in there, and on top of that, you've got a bit of fun going on in here. Have a quick look at that. This is the kiddies room, shall we call it. Look at that. Two guys having a game of pool. If you want to get a pop of euro in there, you can grab and try your luck. But I think you'll probably need more than €1. If you want to go and do some high-speed chasing, there's a man in a Ferrari. Gracivia Labouf is going to take the seat. Oh.
I'm afraid I'm too long for this.
Give it some gas, Gracivia Labouf. There we are. Stick with us. We are going to go and storm the main reception. Are you having a good game? Yeah? What's your name, young man?
My name is Wiley.
Wiley. Good to meet you. And what's your name, young man?
Frankie.
Frankie. Great guy. Is it good? Are you having a good holiday? Yes? Is he beating you or are you beating him?
I'm eating.
You're beating him. Get that stick, hit him on top of the head with it. Thanks very much. Absolute stars. Having a great, great holiday. Stick with us. We are now going to storm the reception area. That's what we're going to do. Storm the reception area. And I want to show you, this is the laundrette. That's the laundrette area. And this area here is the hair salon. There's the hair salon. The young boys want to know what's going on.
We're going to be on YouTube.
You are famous. There you are, young man.
He says.
Get your smartphone out and have a look.
This is a
You have a great, great holiday. Have a great, great holiday. And I love your haircut. I absolutely love that haircut.
Thank you.
You've got a good head of hair as well. See you later. See you later. Absolute stars. Two young superstars, that's for sure. Now, I'm wondering if he got his hair done in there. Because if he did, guess what? I'm going to come back because that's the hair salon. Stick with us. We are going to storm. We're going to storm.
Where's your hair, Mr. Paul? You don't have a hair.
Well, I'm going to go and get the chunk. Anyway, Niki, Steve, stick with us. Come on, let's get into the reception. Come on. Gracivia Labouf, Niki and Steve are getting bored. They're going to click off and go and watch Bald and Bankrupt. Get into that reception area and let's have a look what it's like. Ooh. Look at that. Very, very nice indeed. There we go. This is the main reception area. Look at that. We've got restaurants, bars. Ooh, look at that. Beautifully cool as well. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful main reception area. And we're going to walk out of here to a further reception area, and then we're going to get on to the terraced area, and we're going to show you the beautiful view out towards the blue Mediterranean Sea. Have a look at that. What a spectacular, spectacular sight. It's the only word to use. Niki, Steve, you're going to have a great, great holiday.
Niki and Steve, you know this hotel village apartments, whatever you call them, it's so homish, it's so comfortable. You think that every time you come here, you come home.
Yeah. You're going to have a great, great holiday. It's like coming home. Now, Sean O'Keefe He's one of our #1 superstars from very, very early on in the game, and this is where he likes to swim. And unfortunately, we missed him on his travels, but hopefully next season we're going to catch him, because that's a superstar among the superstars. Now, Grisevia LaBouffe, let's get down this way and sneak down these stairs. Let's follow the rear end of Grisevia LaBouffe. She's off over there now. She's going the wrong way because her orientation is absolutely terrible. But look at that. Wow, that's a very nice bar area indeed. Wow, lovely. Nice area to relax and have a drink at night. Grisevia LaBouffe, let's get down to the pool. Come on, stick with us. The receptionists have not spotted us yet, although I do think she just twitched. Get through there, Grisevia LaBouffe. Let's follow your rear end.
Thank you.
Thanks very much. Here we go. Let's get down to where the fun really, really begins, and that is the great, great blue swimming pool, and of course beyond that is the great, great blue Mediterranean Sea. Stick with us. What is Grisevia LaBouffe doing now? She's found a book. There we are.
Do you know this book?
I have no idea.
No idea.
Someone's left it there.
Have you ever read it?
I don't read books. I'm not that educated. Stick with us. Right, let's get that rear end out there, Grisevia LaBouffe. We are trapped. Look at that view. Now, we understand that this channel is about three things. It's all about those views, your views, and of course, my pirouetting views. Stick with us. Here comes the creme de la creme. Have a look at that. That is the beautiful, beautiful area known as the swimming pool complex. You've got a further restaurant bar outside here, and it's absolutely packed. Wow, absolutely beautiful. There we are, Grisevia LaBouffe. Let's follow the rear end across the bridge, and then we're going to give you a great, great view back into the resort. Look at that. Absolutely spectacular. People absolutely everywhere having a great, great time indeed. Grisevia?
It's beautiful. I just can say that all the people around look so happy and they're enjoying their stay here. That's it.
Yeah, that's what it's all about, right? You have a good holiday? There we are. There's a man with a vodka and coke and an ice cream. And another man with a vodka and coke and an ice cream. And a bunch of tattoos. You want to get some suntan?
I know.
Huh?
This Serrano.
Serrano. He's having a good time. Are you having a good holiday?
Yes, definitely. Excellent.
Excellent,
Wedding
excellent.
on Friday.
Wedding?
Yes, mate.
Your wedding?
Yes.
Where you getting married?
Just done it.
Just down there. Excellent. Who are you marrying?
What is our lady?
Where's the bride?
Where is she?
She's
Where
gone.
is she? She's gone already. What's her name? What's her name?
Nicola.
Nicola. Just so we know another couple.
Yeah, she's gone. Where is she? Coming
She's
down here?
over there.
Oh, there
There
she
she
is.
is.
There she is.
She's on her mobile phone.
Oh, there's the
She's
bride.
desperately trying to get on. She's desperately trying to get on to Marika and me. There she is. There's the bride.
Nicola.
That's the bride. There we are. We've just met your husband to be, and we wish you a great, great wedding. How are you doing? There we are. There we are. Hello. You enjoy your drink. Get a bit of suntan on you as well.
It's first day.
Ah, well, you're right then. You're right then. That's right.
Yeah, mate.
No, you're not doing too bad. You got more than me, actually. You want to see this? Look at that.
Only on the arm, is
Look
that
at
it? I'm a postman in real life, so it's
Right. Great, great. Have a great, great wedding. Have a great. Well, you're a bit late now. You're a long way to swim to get back.
I know.
He looks like a nice guy. He looks like a nice guy.
Thank
You have a great,
you.
great life.
Thank you.
Lovely.
Thank you.
Absolute star. There he is wandering around. That's the groom. He's looking nice and brown over there, and we wish him all the luck in the world, and we know they're going to have a great, great holiday, and they're going to have a great, great wedding, and a great, great rest of their life. That pool area is absolutely spectacular. Everyone's having a great, great time, and now there's a little bit more cream on that creme de la creme, and it's just out there, and it's known as the blue Mediterranean Sea. Have a look at that. What can I say? It doesn't get any better than that. It's the only time when I'm lost for words when I look out into the blue Mediterranean Sea, because I understand that that is very, very blue. The sea is blue, the sky is blue, I'm head to toe in blue. All that's missing is
You!
so get yourself on a big bird or on a canoe and start paddling like crazy. You're going to have a great, great holiday. Niki, Steve, I can assure you, you are going to die for this view. Have a look out there. We'll see the yellow booth.
On such places, you really, really believe that whole world was presented to you. And you know, I would like to mention that new couple that's going to be married. How nice when people are so communicative. And Nicola, the lady, she was gorgeous.
Ah, so her name was Nicola as well. There we are.
Nicola.
Right,
But
so,
our lady's name is Niki.
well, Niki could be Nicola as
Yeah.
well. Normally, Nicola becomes Niki. So, Miss Niki, you've got something in common. I hope that's Mr. Steve, and I'm sure that Mr. Steve is a great, great man indeed, because that was a superstar. That man, he was walking past, he understood what we were doing, and he wanted to get involved. Let's follow the rear end of Christina Booth. She's going to take us out onto the little pier area, and then we're going to show you an absolutely spectacular 360-degree view. So stick with us. We're going to follow the rear end of the Christina Booth. So, like I've come to tell you, this is one of these raised piers that's been constructed out of concrete and a bit of wood, and it allows you to transgress into the ocean quite safely, because Paphos is quite a rocky, rugged coastline, but of course that adds to its beauty and makes it look absolutely spectacular. Let's show you the rear end of the beach resort known as Kafalos Beach. Well, that's how I say it anyway. Have a look at that. Wow, absolutely spectacular. So this is one of the areas that allows you to get out into the deep, deep blue Mediterranean Sea. Stick with us as we get to the end, and then we'll see the booth. It's going to twinkle around and give you a very, very good bye, and you're going to get a truly spectacular view. Here it comes.
Dear Niki and dear Steve, I would like to tell you that we really, really enjoyed this hospitality hotel. Your hotel is situated in a very nice area. You will have a most facilities that other hotels got, and we would love to tell you that we're wishing you all the greatest holidays you have ever had. Please don't forget to come and see another of our madnesses and another of our especially for you. We're loving you to bits and wishing you all the best in your life.
All that's left for me to say is thanks for watching. Like we see, hit the like, click subscribe. Please come back for a little bit more of our madness.
Hi.
You alright? You having a good holiday?
Yeah.
Where are you from?
YouTube.
We do, unfortunately. Unfortunately for you, we do. What's your name?
Gabby.
Gabby, good to meet you.
Nice to
Jesse,
meet you.
where are you from?
Nice to meet you.
England.
Yeah, whereabouts? Whereabouts?
Manchester.
Manchester.
Well, near Preston.
Preston, so I'm from Chester.
Oh yeah.
So we're closer together now than we've ever been. But when we were back in Blighty, we were what, 60 miles down the road. I like Preston, by the way.
Thank you.
Do you live on the outskirts, do you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We live around there.
Yeah. I mean, the area's nice. Preston itself, well, yeah.
Debatable.
Yeah. If you want to go to the Mall, wonderful. Apart from that, not so good.
Yeah.
Have a great holiday. Great to have met you. Thanks very much. Absolute superstars. I saw them in the background, and they know who we are. They already know who we are. Yes, they already know. They already know who we are. There we are.
You asking if
No.
we are doing the
No.
So,
You have a great
sorry,
holiday.
sorry, to
Have
me
a great,
it's
great holiday. Yeah. She's confusing her English. There we are. Absolute superstars all the way from Preston. It appears that we can't go anywhere without meeting someone. We did a video earlier on, and we were accosted off camera afterwards by a guy all the way from Czechoslovakia, and he's a great, great guy indeed. Silvia?
It's so sleepy they go
It is
nearly
sleepy,
to
yeah.
fall down. Well, I'm humbled. I'm humbled thousands of times. Please, every time you see us, whether we film or not, come and accost us. We're loving YouTubers as we love these girls' interaction. Please.
There we
be
go.
well.
The girls from
Bye.
Preston. They're off to
Bye.
Preston.
Take
Thanks
care.
very much.
Many kisses and bye-bye.
Thanks for watching.